Hello students. Now in the last class, in the last previous videos, I have given you an assignment to identify a few scientists. I have shown you some pictures of scientists and you have to identify what they have invented. So we'll discuss the answers now. Yes, these are the pictures of scientists I had shown. So this is Newton, Sir Isaac Newton. He invented the laws of motion, laws of universal gravitation, and also he invented calculus. Now, this is Marie Curie. Marie Curie, she invented radioactivity and also discovered the elements like polonium and radium. Now, he is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. He is the father of India's nuclear program. And this is Vikram Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai is a father of India's space program. And he is Jagdish Chandra Bose. He is a pioneer in microwave optics technology and also he invented a device called crescograph for measuring the growth of plants. This is James Watt. James Watt invented the steam engine and this developed the concept of horsepower. Hello students. Now let us continue the lesson. Yes, now after his MA, C.V. Raman's desire to go to the United Kingdom for the further studies was disappointed because his health broke down again, and then he took up the subjects which his relatives told and he just qualified well in that subjects and still he had a hope of becoming a scientist. After that he was mixed with scientists. Even in the other subjects he was involved in the other subjects. He mixed with the scientists often and showed interest in scientific activities. Now later he was appointed Special Accountant General for Posts and Telegraphs in Kolkata. Now after he was offered the post of Professor of at Calcutta University. He was glad that he became the professor. Now after that he started the Raman Research Institute in 1948. He resigned the post of the Indian Institute of Science and became the director of the Research Institute. Here he conducted his research in physics until his death. Now he was a great scientist. Throughout his life he was intensely attached to science. Even he forgot to eat his food. Now, like all great scientists, Raman had a lot of curiosity. Earlier in his life, while on a voyage to Europe, he saw the wonderful blue of the Mediterranean Sea. He was attracted towards the red color of Mediterranean Sea. He was wondering how the color looks of the sea. This led to his work on the laws of light scattering in liquids. So what did he invent? So that is what? Scattering of lights. How the light from the sun, emits into different colors. And it ended in his discovery of the Raman effect. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for this in 1930. So because the red color of Mediterranean Sea inspired him to just, it led him to the invention of Raman effect. The Raman was a kind man. He helped people when they were in difficulty. What was the quality of Raman? He was a good human being. He was a kind man. So there is an incident here. He helped people when they were in difficulty. When he was working as the Deputy Accountant General, a villager went to him with some badly burnt 100 rupee notes. What did he do then? Any other person perhaps would have turned the villager away. But Raman took pity on the villager, examined the notes himself and allowed the villager to exchange the burnt notes for new ones. See, if he would have gone to other person, they would have turned the villager away. But what did he do? He allowed the villager to exchange the burnt notes for new ones. So now we have come across with so many phrases here in this lesson. Just I'll show you flashcards. See, this is make out. Can you see? Can you see the word clearly? Make out. So this is a phrase. This is a phrase, make out. That means clear, can't understand. So this is make out. It's a phrase. So you can frame a sentence using this. The teacher's accent is different. I can't make out anything. Right? Now this is another phrase, put on. Put on means wear. Usually we put on cotton cloths in during summer days, right? Put on means wear. Put up with. Put up with, that means bear or tolerate. So this means bear or tolerate. Sentence would be, so great people or great personalities have an ocean of patience. They have learned to put up with difficulties. So now let's stop here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.